Welcome to Best Choice. The best Foca laundry detergent is probably one of the most essential items in any household, and choosing the right one can make a significant difference in how clean your clothes come out, how long they last, and even how your skin reacts to the fabrics. With so many options on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but understanding what makes a detergent effective and suitable for your specific needs is key to achieving sparkling clean laundry every time. This review will delve into the features and benefits of Foca laundry detergent, helping you make an informed decision for your laundry routine. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry. Earth Breeze offers a powerful clean and a convenient, eco-friendly sheet. Say goodbye to bulky plastic jugs. Our liquidless sheets are designed for sustainability and reduce waste. Don't let tough stains and odors win. These sheets are formulated to tackle even the most stubborn messes effectively. Experience a fresh scent that's also kind to your skin. They are perfect for sensitive skin and everyday use. Perfect for life on the go. Their compact and lightweight design makes them ideal for travel and small spaces. Enjoy a superior clean regardless of water temperature. They dissolve completely in both hot and cold wash cycles. What we like. Experience a revolutionary way to do laundry. These innovative sheets are completely liquidless and incredibly eco-friendly, making them perfect for travel. If you're looking for a sustainable and convenient option that tackles tough stains and odors while being gentle on your skin, this is the one for you. What people say. These detergent sheets are incredibly convenient to pack, fitting easily into luggage, backpacks, or travel organizers without the bulk or mess of liquid detergent. The cleaning performance was also better than expected. Clothes came out fresh, clean, and with a pleasant scent. I love the sustainability features this brand has. They are great for cleaning clothes and being friendly for the planet and decreasing plastic use. They dissolve well. Number 4. Tide Washing Machine Cleaner with Oxy. Tired of odors and residue in your washing machine? Our powerful cleaner is designed to tackle tough buildup. It effectively eliminates built-up residue and unpleasant odors, leaving your machine fresh and clean. Whether you have a front loader or a top loader, this cleaner is safe and effective for all types of washing machines. With a 5-month supply, you can maintain a clean washing machine with ease. Keep it performing at its best. Experience the deep cleaning power of Tide. It's the trusted solution for a truly clean wash every time. What we like. Keep your washing machine in top condition. This powerful cleaner with Oxy technology is designed to eliminate deep-seated residue and odors. If you want to ensure your laundry always comes out fresh and your machine runs efficiently, this is an essential purchase for both front and top loaders. What people say. It's easy to use and doesn't require any specific washing mode. Normal mode is enough. And the cleaner really will remove the odor that's so annoying. Specially formulated to eliminate odors, residues, and grime, this cleaner restores your machine to its optimal condition, ensuring your laundry comes out fresh and clean every time. The powder is very easy to use and has a lovely scent, leaving my washing machine looking great after it cleans on sterilized setting. The powder itself is white and looks pretty effective at getting rid of even the nastiest of smells. Number 3. Poesie Fragrance-Free Laundry Detergent Sheets. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the plastic waste. Say goodbye to bulky plastic jugs. Our liquidless strips provide a convenient and eco-friendly solution for all your washing needs. Whether you're at home, in a dorm, or on an adventure, these portable sheets make laundry simple and effective. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent without any added fragrances. They are gentle on fabrics and perfect for sensitive skin. Each strip is pre-cut for the perfect amount of detergent. Just toss one in with your load for a hassle-free wash. Make a conscious choice for the planet. These zero-waste laundry sheets are the future of clean clothes. What we like. Discover a truly sustainable laundry solution. These fragrance-free sheets are designed for zero waste and are incredibly portable, perfect for any situation. If you prioritize a gentle, non-plastic option for your laundry needs, especially when camping, hiking, or in a dorm, these are an excellent choice. What people say. They dissolve without any problem, don't leave any weird residue, and get my clothes clean. They get a good clean, good stain and odor removal, and seem to help with keeping lint cat fur off, so I don't have to use dryer sheets for that anymore. I love how little packaging it comes in and that the sheets are already pre-cut and ready to just toss in. Number 2. Arm & Hammer Crisp Clean Laundry Detergent, 18 pounds Pail. Experience the deep cleaning power of this trusted laundry detergent. It effectively tackles tough stains and leaves your clothes looking and smelling fresh. Enjoy the invigorating crisp clean scent that your laundry will carry. It's a refreshing fragrance that signifies true cleanliness. This generous 18 pounds pail ensures you have plenty of detergent for many washes. It's an economical choice for busy households. While powerful on dirt, it's gentle on fabrics. You can trust it to care for your clothes while delivering a superior clean. Brought to you by Arm & Hammer, a name synonymous with cleaning innovation. You can rely on its consistent performance wash after wash. What we like? Get a powerful clean with a classic formula. This powder detergent delivers a crisp, clean scent and is known for its effective stain-fighting capabilities. If you prefer a traditional powder detergent and need a large, economical supply for your household, this is a reliable and cost-effective option. What people say. This detergent has a great scent that leaves clothes smelling fresh. It effectively removes tough stains, even after just one wash. The formula is gentle on fabrics, preventing colors from fading. Number 1. Foca Detergent Liquid. Discover the power of Foca Detergent Liquid, your new go-to for a brilliant clean. Experience laundry day like never before with its advanced formula. This liquid detergent is designed to tackle tough stains and leave your clothes fresh. Its concentrated formula ensures a deep clean with every wash. Not only is it tough on dirt, but it's also gentle on your favorite garments. Keep your clothes looking their best, wash after wash. Enjoy a long-lasting fresh scent that permeates your laundry. It leaves your clothes smelling as good as they look. Simply pour and let it work its magic. This liquid detergent is convenient and effective for all your laundry needs. Choose from a range of varieties to suit your preferences. We have the perfect option for every household. What we like? Choose the liquid detergent that fits your needs. Available in a variety of scents, it offers a straightforward and effective cleaning solution for everyday laundry. If you're looking for a budget-friendly liquid detergent that comes in different fragrance options to suit your preferences, this is a solid choice. What people say. This detergent has a great scent that leaves clothes smelling fresh. It effectively removes tough stains, even after just one wash. The formula is gentle on fabrics, preventing colors from fading. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.